Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy pickles from cucumbers. First, choose crisp cucumbers, about 3 to 4 pounds, and wash them well. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids to ensure food safety. Then, prepare your pickling brine and gather all your spices, like red pepper flakes and fresh garlic, for that perfect kick. This preparation is key for delicious, crunchy pickles. Now, let's create that flavorful, spicy brine. In a saucepan, combine 4 cups of water, 4 cups of white vinegar, and 1/4 cup of pickling salt. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring the salt fully dissolves. Then, add 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes and 4 to 6 cloves of sliced garlic directly to the brine. This infusion will give your pickles their signature heat and aroma. With your brine ready, it's time to pack your jars. Tightly arrange your prepared cucumbers into the sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Carefully pour the hot, spicy brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are fully submerged. Then, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This step is crucial for proper sealing and preservation. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars from the water bath and place them on a towel to cool completely for 24 hours. Once cooled, check that all lids are properly sealed. They should be concave and not flex when pressed. For the best spicy flavor, allow your pickles to cure for at least 2 weeks before opening. Then, enjoy your homemade, crunchy, spicy treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.